whatever. So the patient can put it in there, check it out, and they can see exactly round shape compared to square shape. Regarding no prep veneers for cosmetic cases, there are certain things we must go over before make the final restorations. It's very imperative. A lot of people is misunderstood. It's no prep veneer is always good, but there's always behind the story they should have to know. But today I would like to talk more, go over with a live case, and then I can explain them a little bit better. For example, is that suitable for this case in no prep veneers? Yeah, my answer is not really. Very little they have the grinding. Number one, you see the discrepancy, the color in between the teeth, right? One side is yellow, the other side is brighter. That one is a problem. Meaning doctor have to little bit prep dark area compared to the other side. The other side, they don't have to prep it. So the doctor can prep the yellow side, which is central, and then canine a little bit. So then we can have the more room for the veneers. Then we can match it the better, okay? I'm talking about here, okay, too dark, and then here a little bit, okay? That one is number one, doctor have to trim it. Or this side note, laboratory can hide it with the veneers. Underneath is white opaque, is make more high value, so we can mask it. There's a trick. It's a little bit tough. Well, we usually do that all the time. But sometimes doctors forget, and then they just neglect. Probably they trust me too much. So my technique is really good, but I need more information like that. Number two tip is the teeth shape and contour, which is doctor have to ask or patient have to require certain shape, and then we can follow this direction, okay? I'm talking about this teeth is natural. No one dentition is, to me, is pre-normal, okay? So normal meaning is a little bit tough. For example, compared to whoever has a lot of grinding, it's a smaller teeth, it's much easier to make the no prep veneers. But this is a virgin teeth, it's good teeth, okay? Except shape is a little different, and the patient want even. That's what I'm talking about. So my second tip is if patients wants is round shape in between the teeth, not square shape, and that one, then dentists have to trim a little bit here, a little bit there, a little bit there too. Okay, just a minimum prep. That's my explain, and then make sure the tissue a little cleaned up, and then we cover it all the way, and then make sure everything is right. So we put the computer from the cast model, okay, and then we have to make sure the all occlusions, make sure there's no decay, is any space in between the teeth, but this is perfect teeth. That's why we don't have to make all those things. So then we can put the computer and digitally design, which is a mock-up we call digital wax up. So I usually do the hand. Sometimes hand, I can show you the other cases too. Hand is more thinking, which means the designer have to get the full knowledge about occlusion. Otherwise, you cannot change it. I'm talking about top and bottom one. I'm not talking about this. This case, only this 10 unit. Okay, this area is just much better. It's not much worry about regarding the occlusion. Just make sure all occlusions right. We don't have to worry about too much. What I'm talking about the top and bottom irregularities, and some is out, some is in. Those things technician have to understand fully. So then usually what I do, I prep the teeth just like the dentist. I'm talking two different things. Right now, no prep veneers, how I approach it, and then created the best result as much as possible. So a lot of dentists is sometimes confused, sometimes they know, sometimes the case maybe they need help. That's why I'm trying to give them as much as possible. Number three, shade selection. patient have to know which tooth color they have to match it, or they desire color. I know the America, they like the more bright color, okay? So dentist only has this bleaching color. So my problem is this bleaching color is almost monotone or two-tone color. Dentin, incisor. Now, think about it. After I make this, for example, patient choose this, okay, white one. Now, this one, and then we make the very thin. So my final veneer will be contact lens thin. 2/10, 3/10, maybe 1/10. It's very, very thin. Slip over, cover all the way down. Now, what they looking for the color? Unfortunately, dentists don't have any much shade tab. Only they have this kind of thing. And this is two-tone, it's composite made it, okay? Composite made it, composite made it. Now, if doctors using the lithium disilicate, it's zirconia, they don't have any color. So that's why a lot of dentists, some dentists talking about feldspathic, porcelain only. We do, no problem. So that one, I want to know after a little bit prep, there's a little bit more detail, and then they have to give me, I have to double check the all occlusion alignment, and then I can notify that one side is thicker, one side is thinner. Or maybe the other side, maybe I don't have to do anything. We develop personal zirconia shade tab from here all the way, so which calls Hollywood smile, all right? Unfortunately, it's over 300 dentists already has this premium shade tab. It's very good about pink tissue, it's very savvy, and then patient need this kind of treatment. I'm not going to sell this one anyway. So we do this, so then they have to select the color, and then we put together. So their one is the final restoration. Number 4 is extremely important. Members, I talked to you regarding my veneer thickness, about 2/10. What look like contact lens? What color look like? It's not like this. It's not like this because this one is a thickness. Okay, this one is thickness. But when I made it, this is a 1 millimeter. Okay, if I make 2/10, it's very thin. It's see-through. See-through. Understand? See-through. So if I put the here top, see-through. What look like? One side is darker, the other side is lighter. So we have to using opacity, porcelain, or different ingot selection. We have to mask it. Not only that, and dentists have to utilize the cement. Okay, cementation color. I'm not a dentist. I'm a lab technician. There's a lot of dentists do not know. They're using this only A1 or B1, clear. That's it, all white. That's about it. But dentists have to utilize it, which tooth color need the proper color, mix together and put together, which is white, opaque, or clear, translucency, or B1, the mixture. That's the best dentist ever. Okay, so we educate them, we guide them all the time, dentists, and then we want to get the final as much as possible. Regarding no prep veneers, they cannot get 100% natural teeth compared to Jason's teeth is brighter. Opolucency is very tough, but we are pursuing, trying to make as close as possible, as nice as possible, okay? From here, like I explained, which areas are grinding, and then we fabricated with a digital mock-up, and then we printed. So dentists can use the clear cement, which is what look like exactly. And then here's another putty if they need it. So they arrange it together, okay? B1, bleaching color, whatever. So the patient can put it in there, check it out, then they can see exactly round shape compared to square shape. This is a mock-up plan, okay? So that's what I'm trying to explain to you guys. And patient can wear it, okay? And then they can take a look at it, talk to them, comfortable, what look like, whatever. They approve it, then we try to follow. Or they don't like it, dentists can trim here and there. So they can send me another markup or digitally, so we can make the final restoration. Regarding final, I have a tons of final I publish. You see my all YouTube channel, social media every day. Our team and me, and then we put it every day. So unfortunately, I don't have this case yet, but really good case. That's why I turned on our YouTube channel. I'm trying to share with you guys and trying to give them the best idea as much as possible. We're going to send the email blast our regular clients so they can take a look at it, what we're trying to do, so they don't have any much question regarding our this. Okay, thanks for watching my channels, and thanks for supporting our social media too, and that I can bring up after months later, whatever finish it, we're going to post it with social media. Thanks for watching. So my name is Kahng, LSK 121 Order Prosthetics owner and founder. Thank you.